Hello kids, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to start chapter number 18, punctuation and capital letters. So let's start. Here are some punctuation marks. See each of them and write its name. So you can see here some marks and you have to write their names. Now let's begin with part A, punctuation. Punctuation is the use of full stop, commas, question marks and exclamation marks, etc. in the correct place in a sentence. Punctuation marks have great importance in writing language. Punctuation marks make our written work clear and the reader can understand what we want to say. Let's see the first, full stop. A full stop marks the longest pause. It is used at the end of an assertive or imperative sentence. Example, Aman is an intelligent boy. After abbreviation and initials. Example, first, Dr. A.K. Arora, ME, Master of Arts. In a decimal fraction. Example, 25.3, 95.06. Next is comma. A comma represents a shorter pause. It is used to separate a list of words in a sentence. Example, my father bought a watch, coat, 2 school bags and 3 t-shirts. To separate phrases in a sentence, example, Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, believed in non-violence. To separate a noun of an address or to mark the nominative of address. Example, may I come in, madam? After yes, no and please. Example, yes, you can go. To separate a direct speech from the rest of the sentence. Example, truth always triumphs, said Sachin. To separate a statement from a question tag. Example, she invited you, didn't she? Next is question mark. A question mark is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. Example, what is the name of your school? Insert full stop or question mark where necessary in the following sentences. First, Rahul is my best friend. So here you will put full stop. So kids, in the same way, put full stop or question mark accordingly. Next is insert comma where necessary in the following sentences. First, Diya, Nisha, Priya, Megha and Simi are friends. So in the same way, put the commas accordingly. Next is exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used at the end of an exclamatory sentence. Example, how big the house is. Write some sentences using exclamatory marks. So kids, write down some sentences using exclamatory marks by yourself. Next is semicolon. A semicolon shows a greater pause than that of a comma that is used instead of a conjunction and, but, and so. Example, yesterday it was hot, today it is cold. Colon. A colon shows a greater pause than the semicolon. A colon is used to introduce a list of things. Example, the train runs on certain days, Sunday, Wednesday, Friday. Now kids, rewrite the following sentences, inserting semicolon or colon where necessary. So in the first sentence, in this sentence, we will write it like, I will visit, colon, Frankfurt, Germany, Colombo, Sri Lanka and New York, America. So kids, in the same way, you have to put semicolon or colon accordingly. Next is inverted commas. Inverted commas or quotation marks are used to enclose the exact word spoken or written by a person. Example, Raj said to him, Rakesh is an honest man. Now, rewrite the following sentences using inverted commas where necessary. First, Alok said, inverted commas, my father is a doctor. Now kids, do the rest sentences by your own. Next is apostrophe. An apostrophe is used to show possession or belongingness. Example, it is Ram's book, to show that a letter or some letters in a word have been omitted or left out. Example, she is a great singer. Rewrite the sentences using apostrophes where necessary. First, it is my mother's apostrophe s umbrella. So now kids, I hope you understand. Do the rest sentences by your own. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters wherever necessary. First, London is the capital of England. So kids, here in this sentence, you will write London and England with capital letters. So kids, now do the rest sentences by yourself. Next is capital letters. Capital letters are used to begin a sentence. Example, New Delhi is the capital of India. To begin the names of the days of the week or months. Example, Monday, July. To begin the names of the books, newspaper, magazine, etc. Example, India 2020, the Hindustan Times, Frontline. To begin the name of cities, states and countries. Example, Guwahati, Assam, India. To begin the name of the rivers and oceans. Examples, Brahmaputra, the Diling. To begin the names of mountains. Example, Himalayas, Alps. To begin the names of roads and buildings. Example, Mahatma Gandhi Marg, Victoria Memorial. That's all for the today's class. I hope you like this class. Bye-bye.